this is Joe Rivera with Focus Center Fitness, the personal training company that takes your fitness levels to a whole new place. I'm here with Major League Baseball veteran Randy Wolf, one of my clients, getting him back on track after surgery. He's coming back. You'll be looking for him on the field soon. We're doing a drill here that requires lateral movement, agility. It's a high expenditure of calories, gets your heart rate way up, so it puts you into the anaerobic zone, which is what's really important for professional athletes, because they need to recover more quickly so that they can continue doing what they need to be doing. It's called the 151 drill, and it involves 100 punches and 51 jumps, and I'll explain it to you as we go along. Here we go. I'm going to put you down for 3 minutes. Maybe he'll get to 302. Maybe not. This is the first time he does this drill, so when the bell rings, get your party on. Good. Take your time. Another. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, breathe, 12, breathe, 13, 14, breathe, 15, 16, 17, here we go, and 100, 1, 10, breathe, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here we go again. Breathe, take a deep breath. Take it all down and get ready. Stay focused. Try not to hit the pads. They didn't do anything to you. Be nice to them. 3. Good. Don't miss. Stay focused. 4, 5. Take your time. 6, 7. Breathe. 8. Decelerate when you land. 9. Good. Balls to the feet. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Beautiful. Take a deep breath. Deep breath again. One more. Deep breath. Now I want you to rotate a little bit more off that back leg when you hit me with the crosses, okay? Get your hips involved. Take a big breath in. Here we go. 100. So Randy can't extend his arms too much right now, so we're keeping it really mellow. He just had Tommy John surgery, so we still don't really have clearance for upper body work. So this is the first time he's actually ever doing this. So we want to keep it very, very small and contained to minimize the risk of injury. Let's say 50 more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20. 30, 40, 50, time. Beautiful work. Let's see where the heart rate is.
I'm guessing 167.
What is it? 164? Take a look at this, George. He's a machine. 161. Nice job. So that's called the 151 drill. And this is really, really great for him because it allows him, like I said before, get his heart rate way up, and then now he's going to recover very quickly. The more drills like this that he does, the faster his recovery time becomes. So take a couple deep breaths.
My hands are empty.
Oh, that's beautiful. It's delicious. Let's see where you're at now.
140.
Down to 140 in like 10 seconds. That's how we do it. See you soon.